Hello students, Kajal Miss back with you. Today we are going to deal with lesson number 3, square and square roots. Square and square roots is a lesson in standard 8th, लेकिन ये lesson start हो जाता है right in the 6th standard, 5th standard itself in some schools. And this goes ahead. It will be helpful to you in 11th, 12th, entrance exams and way ahead. So this lesson is very important for everyone and for everyone's examination point of view. Okay, so what do you mean by square and square roots? What do you mean by cube and cube roots? First of all, we need to understand this. Square means when you multiply one number by itself. So the number that you derive is called as its square. For example, what is the square of 14? Square of 14 is 14 into 14, which is 196. Okay, this is simple. What is square of 2? 2 into 2, 4. What is square of 3? 3 3s are 9. 9 is the square of 3. What is square of 4? 4 4s are 16. 16 is the square of 4. Similarly, what is the square of 14? Square of 14 is nothing but 14 into 14, 196. Children, if you have to find square, you have to put this sign, raised to 2. Okay. Now, sometimes these square sums, they will ask you in the form of fraction. Find the square of 4 upon 17. What you have to do is square of 4 upon square of 17. Okay. So what is square of 4? 4 into 4 upon 17 into 17. What is 4 times? 4 4s are 16. What is 17 into 17? 289. That's it. This can't be reduced further. So this is the final product. Now what is the square of 0.01? Okay. Now students, what is the square of 1? Square of 1 is 1 only. Now what will you do with 0.01? Listen carefully. How many steps are left for the decimal? पीछे से कितने number छोड़ के decimal है? 2, right? 2 numbers. In a square, it will double. 4. Okay. So this is one number. 2, 3, 4. Put 3 zeros and this is my answer. 0.01 square is 0.0001. Okay. A decimal after 2 numbers from behind. Here decimal would be after 4 numbers from behind. Simple. And 1 square is 1 only. Similarly, if you have 0.17 square, my dear students, you know the square of for 17 is 289. Now, after how many steps? After 2 steps, there is a decimal. So here it would be after 4 steps. Okay. So this 1, 2, 3. If you don't have a fourth number, put a 0 and then like this. Okay. 0 point has no value. It is like point only. 0289 is my final answer. You will get 2 marks on each sum by simply doing this easy step. Okay, only you have to bear in mind is the laws. Okay, laws of mathematics. Now I will tell you next sum. The next sum they are asking is using prime factorization find which are the perfect squares. For example, if it is 252. Now my dear students, there are various methods to find it. This is not a perfect square. Simply by looking at it, I can tell you. I can show you the trick to do this. But first, I'll tell you how formally you have to do this sum. Okay. 252 is a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Again, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. 63, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Now, when you derive these prime factors, look, there is a group of 2, okay, pair of 2. There is a pair of 3, but there is no pair of 7. 7 is the lonely number here. When you find any factor which is alone, which is not forming a pair, that means it is not a perfect square. This is the method which school people teach you. I'll tell you how to find it. My dear students, what is the square of 1? 1. 2, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. 5, 25. 6, 36. 7, 49. 8, 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square is 100. Now dear students, just look at this. Just look at the last number, the ones place, units place का number देखो. 1 है, 4 है, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 8, 1. कहीं 2 दिख रहा है? नहीं. यहाँ पर क्या था? 2. जब भी लास्ट नंबर 2 हो, इट इज़ नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. नाउ लेट अस चेक कि इसमें कौन से नंबर मिसिंग है. ठीक है, सी द नंबर्स विच आर मिसिंग इज 1 है, 2 नहीं है. डू यू फाइंड 3 एनीवेयर इन द लास्ट नंबर? नो, 3 भी नहीं है. 4 है, 5, 6, 7 is not there, even 8 is not there. We have 9 and we have 0. So in any number, if you find the last digits 2, 3, 7, 8, any one of this, that means it is not a perfect square. Simply by looking at the sum you will come to know whether it is a perfect square or not. Last number अगर 2, 3, 7, 8 आ गया, मतलब वो perfect square नहीं है. I'll give you some examples. For example, if my answer is, if my question is 676. Now 676 has 6, here it is, there is 6. So this can be a perfect square. Let us see whether it is or not. So 676, I think this is divisible by 2 will take, 2 3s are 6. Yes, again 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. Again we'll take 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Yes, 13 times and 13 1s are. So 676, the square root of 676 is 3. 2 into 13, that is 26. Are you getting my point? This is how you have to do. Now if I take some number such as 3258. My dear students, do you find this 8 here? 8 is also here. Simply by looking at it you will know that it is not a perfect square. So no need of finding this root of it, because you will not get a whole number. So it is not a perfect square. I hope you followed this. Should I go ahead with the next sum? Okay, this is as simple as this. The third question is, show that each is a perfect square. Now here you have to show, that means it is a perfect square. For example, if they are saying 441. Now my dear students, I had made one video on tests on divisibility, wherein you can find the factors of a number simply by looking at it. Okay, वो कौन से टेबल में जाता है वो देख के पता चलेगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 4 1, 4 + 4 8, 8 and 1 9, 9 3 के टेबल में जाता है. The entire number will be divisible by 3. ठीक है, so चलो 3 लेंगे. 3 1s are 3, again 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. अभी 1 4 7 किसके टेबल में जाएगा? 4 and 7 11, 11 and 1 12. Again 3 का टेबल ले सकते हैं. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. 49 is divisible by 7 and no other factor. 7 7s are 49. देखो बच्चों, 3 का जोड़ी बन गया, एक ही लिखो. 7 का जोड़ी बन गया, एक ही लिखो. Therefore square root of 441 is 21. This is how you have to write an answer to get 2 marks. Okay, see, if you want to earn marks you will have to show your working as well. Okay, then the next sum is 3969. Now my dear students, which number do you feel can be divisible by 3969? Okay, which one is the factor? See, 3 + 9 12, 12 + 6 18, 18 + 9 27. 27 is divisible by 3. So the entire number will be divisible by 3. The factor of 3969 is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, again 3 3s are 9. Now 1 3 2 3 sounds very prime number, but it is not a prime number. Let's see. 3 and 2 5, 5 and 3 8, 8 and 1 9. Again it is a divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. 441. Just now we came across 441. Again we'll be taking 3 only, prime factors. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Again we can divide it by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are. Now the last number is 7. So see, a pair of 3, put 1 3, a pair of 3, put 1 3, a pair of 7, put 1 7. Therefore, your square root of 3969 is 7 9s are 63. As simple as this. I hope you are finding this easy, not difficult. Please comment and let me know if you are finding it difficult. I'll try to make it a bit easy by going slow. Next, the question is, find the smallest number by which the following numbers should be multiplied to get a perfect square. अभी तुम्हारे पास एक नंबर दिया रहेगा which is not a perfect square. Definitely it is not, क्योंकि लास्ट नंबर 8 है ना. तो इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए किस से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बाय विच इट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. अब इसमें कोई छू मंतर काली कलंतर नहीं है. यू हैव टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ इट. ओके, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. फिर 2 ले, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. फिर 7 ले लो, 7 2s are 7 1s are. Again take 7, 7 3s are 21, 3 1. Now my dear students, किस किस की जोड़ी है और किसकी छूट गई. देखो, पेयर ऑफ 2 एक 2 लिखो, पेयर ऑफ 7 एक 7 लिखो. ये 3 छूट गया. सो व्हाट यू नीड, इसको क्या चाहिए, 3 को 3 ही चाहिए ना. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर विच शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 588 टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर इज 3. सिमिलरली अगर डिवीजन का भी पूछेंगे ना विच नंबर शुड बी डिवाइडेड, तो भी यही मेथड करना है. डिवीजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन उसके लिए सेम ये मेथड करना है. अगर बच्चों ये 3 हटा देंगे, देखो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. अगर 3 जोड़ देंगे, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. सिंपल. शुड वी गो अहेड विद द नेक्स्ट सम. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, दे मे आस्क यू बाय विच नंबर शुड द फॉलोइंग बी डिवाइडेड, that is 1728, a number like this to be divided so that it becomes a perfect square. So what you have to do is make a tree like this and write 1 2 7 8. Okay, now since the last number is even, so this number is divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, again by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now students, again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Since two numbers are taken together, so we have to write 0 in between. 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 27, 3 9, 3 3 and 3 1. So now since it is a square root, so what you have to do is it visible? Yeah. So what you have to do is make pairs. Okay, see, 2 का pair, again a pair of 2, again one more pair of 2, a pair of 3 and 1 3 is left. So whichever number that remains has to be divided. Divided यानी निकाल दो, बाकी सब जोड़ी में है, ये अकेला है. So it has to be divided by this number which is left behind. So whichever number is left, you have to divide with that number. I hope you understand what I am telling you. Multiply or divide, दोनों में method same ही है. Whichever number is left either should be divided or should be multiplied to make it a perfect square, whatever they ask you. ठीक है? So this is how it has to be done. And if they ask you, then what would be the perfect square root after division? तो 1 7 2 8 था ना, you have to divide it by 3 and see. 3 6 are 18. So sorry, 3 5 are 15. Remainder 2 3 7 are 21 and 3 6 are 18, 576. So now what is the square root of 576? I rubbed it, okay, in haste. So this should be 2 2s are, 2 8s are, 2 8s are, 2 144. I'm doing a shortcut. Okay, so the resultant square root of 576 is equal to 24. 2 का जोड़ी, 12 का जोड़ी. I hope this much is easy and understood by you. I'll give you one more example to this. 4 5 776 थोड़ा टफ वाला लेते हैं. Okay, this number is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Okay, again it has to be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, again by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, again by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, again by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 4 3, 4 plus 2 6, 6 and 3 is 9, divisible by 3. 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 3 7s are 21. 3 9 times 3 3 3 1. अभी चलो सबकी जोड़ियाँ बनाओ. 2 की जोड़ी, 1 more pair of 3 and pair of 3. What is left is 2 and 3. So 6 is the extra number. So it has to be divided by 6 to make a perfect square. 7 7 7 6 में से 6 निकाल दो, क्या बचेगा? 1266. Now what is the square root of 1266? 1266 is a perfect square. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 9s are 36. ऐसा आएगा आंसर. Okay, so this should carry 3 marks, 4 marks at least. Okay, this is how you have to do these kinds of sums. Now the next sum is find which number. This is done. Now there is one problem, word problem. A word problem says that there are school students which are going for a picnic. Okay, now students are going for a picnic. Each student contributed as many rupees as the students in the class, and the contribution is, see, there are students, let the number of students be x. Should I write the whole question so that it becomes easy? If it is coinciding with your textbook, it would be good. The students of a class arranged a picnic. Okay, and each student contributed as many, contribution of each is equal to number of students in class. I am writing it in a shortcut way. Number of, for example, if there are 100 students in the class, each child will contribute rupees 100. Okay, this is how their contribution was done. So we don't know how many students are there, and we don't even know the contribution. Let the contribution be x, number of students are same, but when you multiply it, they are seeing the contribution is, total contribution is 1156. Now they must be asking how many number of children are there, or how much is the contribution of each. Understood? Number of students x है, जितने बच्चे हैं उतना ही रुपया कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. समझो 200 बच्चे होंगे तो 200 रुपये एक से लिए होंगे. सो 200 into 200 वुड बिकम 40,000. ऐसे करके ये लोगों ने 11,506 रुपी, सॉरी 1,156 रुपीज़ जमा किए. या सो हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट, बहुत कम ही नंबर होगा. हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड हाउ मच इज़ द कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ईच. इसके लिए निकालना पड़ेगा स्क्वायर रूट. सी, टू फाइंड स्क्वायर रूट्स देर आर वेरियस मेथड्स. ये प्राइम फैक्टर मेथड तुम्हारे स्कूल में बोला है, सो आई एम डूइंग दिस. 2 5s are, 2 7s are, 2 8s are, again 2 2s are, 2 8s are, 2 9s are, 289 17. So the number of students are, देखो ये 17 का जोड़ी 1 right 17 and this is 2. So there are 17 2s are 34 students and each student contributed rupees 34. 34 into 34 becomes 1156. Is that easy? So the number of students are, number of students in each class is 34 and each student gave or contributed rupees 34. I hope this is easy for you. Should we go ahead with the next sum? The next sum says, in an auditorium there are a number of rows in each and to the number of chairs in each row. If the quantity of the capacity is 2025, find the number of rows in each. Okay, now my dear students, see, this is an auditorium. Okay, Imagine this as an auditorium. Auditorium is nothing but a hall. अब एक hall है तो the number of rows is equal to number of chairs in each row. See, if for example there are 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, for example if there are 4 rows, then एक एक रो में 4 कुर्सी हैं. That means it is in a square shape kind of. Okay, see, so can I say that, and total number of chairs given here are 2025. Now this was just an assumption. ये हमने ऐसे तुमको सिखाने के लिए मैंने 4 लिखा है. It is not 4. We don't know how many chairs are there in each row, and we even don't know how many rows are there. Let the number of rows be x and the number of chairs also be x. So x into x is equal to 2025. अभी x कैसे find करेंगे? Find the square root of 2025. Begin with 5. 5 4s are 20. Put a 0 in between. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are, 5 9s are. Directly you can take 9. 9 9s are and 9 1s are. 5 की जोड़ी, 9 की जोड़ी. So there are 45 chairs in each row, and number of rows are also 45. 45 कुर्सियाँ हैं एक लाइन में और ऐसे 45 रोज़ हैं. सब मिला के नंबर ऑफ कुर्सियाँ हो जाती है 2025. You can copy this down so that we can go ahead with the next sum. Now my next sum is, find the least square number which is exactly divisible by 8, 9, 10 and 15. Which is divisible by 8, 9, 10 and 15. Least square number which is exactly divisible by 8, 9. See, 8, 9, 10 and 15. Okay, the numbers have to be divisible by all these. Okay, least, and it has to be a square number. Let's go ahead with the same technique, factor technique. 2 का टेबल पहले 2 4s are 8, 9 is not divisible, 2 5s are 10, 15 not divisible. Again go ahead with 2. 2 2s are 4, nothing else is divisible, ऐसे ही उतारो. Again go with 2, keep it 1, 5 and 15. Then go ahead with 3. 2 के बाद 3 आएगा. 3 3s are 9, 5 नहीं, 3 5s are 15. Again bring 3. 3 1s are 3, 5 and 5. Now take 5. 5 1s are 5. Now my dear students, see, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. What is left is 2 and 5. 10 is left, okay? 10 is not having a pair. Neither is 2 having a pair here, nor is having 10 pair here. Now you have to find a least number, square number. If it is a square number and 10 is left behind, तो 10 से और multiply कर लो. For example, I'll tell you. 2 का जोड़ी, write a 2. 3 का जोड़ी, write a 3. Now this 10 is left behind. एक और 10 दे देंगे अगर तो what will happen? See, this is number what? 4 9. 4 9s are 36. 36 into 10 is equal to 360. When you multiply all this, 360 is the answer, but this is not a square number. To make it a perfect square, a least square number which ये सब के multiple होंगे, LCM होगा, then we'll have to give it one more 0. That is 3600 is the least square number which is exactly divisible by 8, 9, 10, 15. यानी कि ये 3600 8 के भी टेबल में जाता है, 9 के भी टेबल में जाता है, 10 के भी टेबल में जाता है, 15 के भी टेबल में जाता है और स्क्वायर नंबर भी है और सबसे छोटा नंबर है ये. दिस इज द LCM, लीस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय ऑल दिस. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. देखो सबकी जोड़ियाँ बन रही है, 10 की जोड़ी नहीं बन रही है, सो वी हैव टू पुट एन एक्स्ट्रा 10 टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, उसको जोड़ी बनाने के लिए. ओके, स्क्वायर मीन्स जोड़ी, ट्विन. आई टोल्ड यू ना, square is nothing but a twin. So by this, I think we have finished. Yes, my dear students, we finished with one exercise. So let's meet in the other video with one more exercise. Thank you so much for so much of your love and attention. Keep YouTubing, keep learning, don't waste time, and keep in touch with me. Bye for now.